In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Pocket FM and get the app working again. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure you have a stable internet connection because Pocket FM needs an active connection to load content, sync your account, and stream episodes. Now, for example, if you are using any VPN or maybe you are using proxy, you might want to temporarily disable it for now to see if that works. Okay? Now, if Pocket FM is loading slowly, crashing, or displaying errors, clearing the app cache may help. So on Android, open your phone's settings, go to apps, find and select Pocket FM, and then open storage. From here, I need you to tap clear cache. After that, reopen Pocket FM and check whether the app is now working normally. Keep in mind that clearing cache is different from clearing app data. Clearing app data may reset your app settings or may require you to sign in again. Now, another common reason an app stops working properly is using an outdated version. Once at the App Store on your device and search for Pocket FM, if you see any update button, install the latest available version. App updates can fix bugs, improve performance, and resolve compatibility issues. Once the update is complete, open Pocket FM again and see if that works. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to fix Pocket FM when it's not working. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.